Just left the airport. I just got here. Now I'm on my way home. Probably gonna take me like 5 hours. So it's chaotic here. It's crazy. I'm shocked. I'll see you guys in Go Naive.
Go Naive.
We out here in Haiti. It's 10 o'clock, just arrived. I'm on my way home. I'm about to meet my little cousin in Go Naive. It's probably gonna take me a couple of hours. Hope I get there safe. It's your boy DJ Dash signing off. That's what I'm doing for the whole week, traveling the whole country and see how things like. Like I said, I just woke up and food is getting prepared. It's Friday, December the 14th, and I don't know. I'm out here. I'm out here to see people. It's a lot rough. It's crazy. You see what I'm saying? So I didn't know what to expect. I thought things would have been better than what they are, but you know, I'm home. Home is home, like we say. La casa, so I'm here just to see the people. I've been away for a long time now, so it's time for me to come back and see how things going. So hopefully everything goes well. I'm here for 2 weeks, so every day that I spend here, so I'll be recording a small, little short video of things like what I'm doing, a little vlog basically. So for all my fans out there, stay tuned. Today's Saturday and I'm hitting the street. Today's I'm planning on going to the market down the street, and right now we're leaving the house. I think it's like 10 o'clock. It's already packed. We're going down there. Let's go see how the people are doing, and I'll bring a little clip. Alright? Yeah, nek basemble. Nek basemble. Vous connaissez jazz?
Bon, moi, vous connaissez jazz.
Parfois, vous comptez?
Pour compte, moi.
Il a bien marché?
Il a bien marché quand même.
Posé?
On a une affaire fort quand même. Parce que vous devez travailler quand même.
Ok.
Pour avancer, pour faire plus pratique travail.
Ok. 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 Allez, je vais. DJ Dash, Kailala. I'm in Radio Volcan in Haiti, Bassemblé. I'm out here with Woodmire Mix.
Mais sacré les volcans, monsieur!
Radio Volcan. M'la représenté Bassemblé. Nous là, DJ Dash représenté.
Moi, les routes Nelly Save. Les glatis bonnes titi. Nous sommes côté que les machins de salle. Section policier. C'est pour un point, man. C'est pour un point. Lui dit, mais que c'est son point. Rap sans frontière. On est dans nos jeunes rap ça. Très bientôt, on est pour venir avec ces 10 musiques et puis pour nous faire le bouillot. Ok? On a qu'à la charge de diaspora, monsieur. Rata. Je pense que nous avons fait une émission pour nous parler de Baki. Qui est-ce qui Baki? Parce que depuis l'autre jour, on a parlé de Baki. Just bref, passer sur lui. Baki a fait tout le barreau. Je dis à parler de Baki. Qui est-ce qui Baki, monsieur? Bas au lycée, enfant, Black Caucus. Yep. I like that, man.
Yeah.
Moun qui pas contre monsieur, on s'en met où?
Check him
Monsieur
sur
c'est
YouTube.
moi on s'en met où? Même classe ensemble avec monsieur la caméra. Monsieur qui signe traditionnel. OK. DJ
Pose. Bassemblé, what's up, man? I'm out here, I'm in the building, I'm chilling here. Radio Volcan, nous connaissons comment ça fait déjà. Pose. Lui dit c'est ici. Ma hobby.
Yep. C'est ça DJ Dan.
Nigga buying water though.
DJ Dash Haiti, man. I'm out here chilling with them boys. I'm finna get me some water. It's hot out here, so we need water. Gotta get my water first. Let me see.
Like that. You see, right now, nigga, though, we in Haiti. You can see the juice though. That's how we doing them kind of shit with DJ Dash right now.
See, I get my water. I have to filter the water first before I drink it. Merci.
Look at that.
Nous avons posé, nous avons tourné back dans Radio Volcan. Nous allons nous Nelly Save, artiste animateur paysan, c'est là. Hey, today is Wednesday, December 18. I'm in Gonaive this morning. I just arrived. I don't feel too good. I want to take a shower. All I want to do is take a shower and go to sleep. It's done.
guys supposed to come pick me up later on and so I could sleep at his house. Now I'm just chilling at a friend's house. My cousin's coming soon to pick me up. So right now, that's where I'm at. I'm in Vienna 23, just chilling. I'm hungry as go naive. Just woke up, feel a little bit better. No mind going on, nothing like that. I know it's been a couple of days since I since I vlog anything. So today I'm gonna start with this little small ass video, short ass video, whatever you wanna call it. And I think it's only like 7 o'clock and I'm already up. This never happened before. Here everybody get up really early, like 5 o'clock. You're on your feet, but I'm not really used to that. But just the way it is. Yep, I'll see you guys. I'll give you guys a tour of the city later on around 12. I'll get to walk around and show you guys some stuff. And good night.
baso yo. Welcome to Bassin Bleu, my hometown.
No, try to watch all this around.
Today we're in Chansol. We're supposed to put the ferry getting there in about 30 minutes. This is Marché Chansol. This is where people sell their stuff. Right now we're in Chansol. I'm getting the shampoo. Out there look really good. I haven't seen one of these in like 10 years. 10, 11 years. How do I look? DJ Dash here in Chansol, Haiti. Ah.
ça? Oh.
C'est comme ça nous qu'on bat, maman il dit ça qui ça.
Ah, si vous chagrin fait sentir noir, oui. Oh, il est bon, oui.
Ma pousse attends dans mon chien.
La couille.
Ou pas ouais. Ou pas ouais quand tu apprends.
La couille. méchant, oui.
Si vous la bon, oui.
Si vous jambon, mais c'est bien, non, comme sur lui.
Si vous la bon, oui.
Si
Si vous la bon, oui. Monsieur?
Oui, il va manger, oui.
Hein?
Oui.
Oui, j'ai protégé, non, monsieur.
J'ai qui
Ça
ça?
fait dit.
Il va mettre.
Il va voir.
Eh, mais quittez la bataille, non.
Il est bon, oui. Il est bon, oui.
What up, fam? Gonna eat. I'm about to eat some Haitian dish. And here we have fish, banana, rice, and some kind of salad. And I'm about to grab a bite. Welcome to Dash.